So, good day everyone. My name is Mark RJ Lopez, and here is the report of our group. Importance of risk assessment. So, here is our member. That is George Angel, Dekilia Kent, Igpit Jonard. So, next one, introduction. So, what is risk assessment? Risk assessment is the process of identifying, analyzing, and evaluating potential hazards that could negatively impact objectives. And the purpose of risk assessment is to mitigate risk, ensure safety, and maintain operational efficiency. Next one, decision making support. So, decision making support helps the leaders make informed choices by identifying potential hazards and evaluating their impact. Next is to ensure that decisions are based on risk levels rather than assumption. So, risk assessment on board ship is crucial for decision making support as it helps identify, evaluate, and mitigate potential hazards, ensuring crew safety, vessel security, and environmental protection. So, by analyzing risk, officers can make informed decisions, prevent accidents, and comply with maritime regulations like SOLAS and ISM code. For the next reporter, Mr. Igpit.
I am John Rodriguez Jr. from Bismarck 3A, and this is my part in the group report. My part is business continuity, promotes resilience by identifying threats that could disrupt operation, and allows organization to create mitigation plans and recovery strategies. Business continuity helps companies stay strong by identifying risks and could interrupt their operations. It allows business to plan ahead, reduce potential damage, and recover quickly from disruption like natural disaster, cyber attacks, or system failures. Next reporter, please.
Hi, I'm Regil P. Digilla from BSMRE, and this is my part from Group 4. Reputation management involves actively monitoring and influencing how an organization or individual is perceived by the public. It includes managing online reviews, social media presence, public relations, and addressing negative feedback. By maintaining a positive reputation, businesses can build trust, attract loyal customers, and enhance brand value. Effective reputation management also involves responding quickly to crises and demonstrating transparency, which helps in retaining credibility and fostering long-term relationships. Thank you.
Good day everyone, my name is George Angel Dais, and our topic for today is importance of risk assessment, continuous improvement, ongoing evaluation and refinement of processes. This encourage a continuous improvement mindset. It means regularly assessing how things are being done, identifying bottlenecks or insufficiencies, and making adjustment to enhance productivity, quality, or overall effectiveness. Proactive approach to risk. This suggests that instead of waiting for problems to occur and then reacting, you should anticipate potential issues and take steps to mitigate them before they happen. A proactive strategies involve forecasting risk, implementing preventative measures, and having contingency plans in place.
Now, let's move on to the risk assessment progress. So, risk assessment progress has four major progress. First one is identifying hazards. Next is evaluating risk. Third, implementing controls. And lastly, monitor and review. So, the first one is identifying hazards. So, dito ina-identify muna yung hazards, then ina-analyze, then move on sa evaluating risk. So, dito ina-evaluate muna yung risk bago gawin yung mga dapat i-implement. So, yun na yung next, implementing controls para maiwasan yung risk na yun. And lastly, yung monitor and review. This one is to continuously monitor and tinitignan kung meron bang magiging potential hazards. Next one is conclusion. Recap of importance. So the importance of risk assessment on board ship is to minimize accidents, protect lives, and maintain smooth operations at sea. So this one po, yung by conducting regular risk assessment, ships minimize hazards, improve operational efficiency, and ensure the safety of all on board. And next slide. So that is all for our report. Thank you for listening.